10 Best Python Jobs for Future. 1. Python Developer. Python developer is one of the top career choices for anyone investing those long hours practicing the programming language. Since the value of technology integration went up a few years ago, the position of a Python developer is almost inevitable in organizations. Companies are looking for Python developers to keep their front-end and back-end development up to date. Therefore, Python developers are one of the top recession-proof Python jobs to start your career. 2. Software Engineer. As a seasoned Python developer, you could also extend your scope of operations to grasp more opportunities in software engineering. And, you'd need to be more versatile in using other operating systems and programming languages. However, the extended knowledge pays off when you have to supervise projects by testing and debugging codes. You are required to understand Python scripts to locate and fix the bugs in codes. It is among the top Python jobs for 2023. 3. Data Scientist. Data scientists work on the analytics of structured and unstructured data. Today, however, being knowledgeable in statistics, computer science, and mathematics help to contribute to a high-valued profile. Data scientists' jobs are in high demand in organizations that are engaged with data extraction, analysis, and processing to design structured models to achieve actionable plans. They also help in curating the data for machine learning programs. 4. Data Analyst. The whole internet is based on data. Whether you create or consume information at any scale on the internet, the data is collated and stored seamlessly. A data expert works on data collation over the internet to decode the pattern and meaning. This knowledge is then used to the advantage of the companies in creating more user-friendly content for services and taking useful decisions. It is listed among the top Python jobs. 5. Machine Learning Engineer. Another high-demand Python job description in the present tech world is feeding data into machines. We now have machines that learn and apply this knowledge to create seemingly impossible achievements with proven results. Machine thrives on statistics, mostly compiled and fed to the system by Python developers. Leading websites like Facebook, Netflix, and Amazon operate using machine learning. 6. Python Web Developer. Python web developer responsibilities include writing and testing code, debugging programs, and integrating applications with third-party web services. To be successful in this role, you should have experience using server-side logic and work well in a team. 7. Full-stack developer. The full-stack developer definition is someone who can work on both the back-end and front-end of systems. This means that they can develop fully fledged platforms with databases, servers, and clients which don't need other applications to function. Full-stack developer uses Python to develop applications. They also write clean, functional code on the front and back end. 8. Automation Testing Engineer. Automation testing engineers work on Python test framework tools, including PyTest, PyUnit, Behave, etc. They are performing complex system tests. They are responsible to create test scripts and performing A/B testing. 9. Product Manager. Product managers, also known as Python product managers, set the strategy, roadmap, and feature definition for a product and also influence every aspect of how it gets built and launched. They analyze product performance and redesign as required. They are managing prioritization and trade-offs between customer experience, business impact, performance, and post-launch support. 10. Researcher. Researchers are fully focused to analyze and interpret patterns and trends. Recording findings by taking written notes and using appropriate software. Maintaining and protecting electronic databases. Assisting management with budget and time schedules.